Hello everyone, this is Eileen here in San Francisco, and I wanted to show you two things that I make for artists. These are my watercolor bowls, which have notches on the rim here, so you can put 3 brushes and hold your brushes right where you need them, and then you can get into your paint and go ahead and paint, and then rinse. So it's really handy, keeps them right there. So I have this blue ice color, and also jade. You can also see the foot on the bottom I make to go in the dishwasher. And when you dry the bowl, you can also put the brush on the foot there, which holds it for drying. It's very convenient. So these are great. They're porcelain, they're handmade. You can tell from the inside that they are hand thrown on a wheel. Very durable and sturdy. And the other thing I make is books. So I have sketchbooks here that are my Fearless Felt sketchbooks. I'll show you. This is a brand new one here. So it has a charm on the front that comes with it. You can pick which charm you like. And they're made of felt. So this is really nice, 100% wool felt, very durable, very sturdy, lightweight. So these are 9 ounces, which for a sketchbook is very good. They open like this, so you can open them and then get to your pages. I put a cover sheet in. And this is Fabriano 100% cotton Artistico cold pressed paper. You can see right here, here's the watermark, if you can see that. And also, because the paper is in on these bands, it's not sewn in any way. You can pull the paper out and paint across the whole piece, turn it over, and when you scan this, you don't have a gutter. So it makes it really easy to scan it flat. And that just goes right back in, and they close up like this. Very handy. This is the regular size. So these are all that size. I have gray, kiwi, mango, turquoise, dark gray. And then this is a large one. So these are 8 by 8. So same idea, but bigger pages. And this is mine. So look what you could do. The holes that I have in there, you can put your pencil in there, which is handy. So this is one that I've used. So there's some of my sketches there. I do urban sketching, going all around and sketching, so that's really good. And also, you can put the band on here, and then what I have here is a pouch with pencils, palettes, erasers, travel brushes, and you can just put that together. You can actually put it through the band. And go like this, and you've got everything you need in a handy package that's lightweight and easy to use. So because the paper can pull out of these, you can refill them with whatever paper you like, or I have refills as well. They're very handy, and urban sketchers love these. So there's a hot air balloon charm, a little cactus. I have windmills, apples. So these are great. The wool felt cover is not only durable, but it also resists stains because it still has a little lanolin in it. Really beautifully made. So thanks for watching. My website is www.goldenbergdesigns.com. Get yourself a bowl and a book, or 2 bowls. Okay, bye.